Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create cosmetic packaging design in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the cosmetic tube. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the tube size and change its color to brighter one. Convert it into smart object. Reduce the fill and press Ctrl T to transform. Select distort. Now right click and select warp. After make select adjustment, increase the fill back to 100% and create a clipping mask. Change that blend mode to multiply. Double click on smart object icon. Import the design here. So go to file, place embedded, select packaging design and place and transform it. Press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. And hit OK. Your cosmetic packaging design is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.